Hi, today I'm going to show you how to replace an air filter for the 2010 Nissan Murano. For the air filter change, the air box is right here. So in order to remove the cover of the air box, the air filter is inside the air box, so we have to keep this one here, and there's another one right here. After I do this two clip and we move forward, car forward, and it will come out. Just take this out. Just careful. This is all plastic, so just be careful, gentle, and don't crack any plastic. So the old ones come out, you can see very dirty, so we will put the new air filter in. If you see any dirt inside, you can just try to remove it before put the new one in, or just try to clean it. And I see some clips there, some dirty stick inside. I like to do extra cleaning, so I put in the vacuum hose to go in the air filter box to vacuum some of the dirt inside. So as you can see here, there's a slot there. Slot in first, and then keep this front clip, two clip there. So let's put the new air filter in. This is the new one. Just be careful. See, everything's plastic. You don't want to crack the plastic. Put this in place and then slot in first and then clip the air box. That's it, ready to go.